time was minus 0.5. Now show plus 8 degrees sun. More cloudy, clear. Good weather. Now in Bulgaria, in very big market, in the same market have but different name Epicenter. I buy some super clay. Yeah, very big market. Everything have. Everything. Now go from market. I buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, this mother, this eye. Why no go? Oh, now door closing. This is lift. Very good big lift. Very nice. This is now sun beach. Good June. Temperature now plus 10.5. Now good. Night time was cold. Now very nice temperature. Now come from market. Buy something. Now one more go this apartment. After come back to